How resistant are Scranton Products brands compared to traditional materials? Let's start with graffiti. Is graffiti an issue? Unlike metal and other traditional materials, Scranton Products brands are actually graffiti resistant. But how does HDPE stand up to common cleaners? Well, let's find out. Scranton Products brands are naturally germ and viral resistant. What's more impressive is that the HDPE material resists bacteria, viruses, odors, moisture, and mildew. Scranton Products also offers an exclusive line of healthy hardware for restroom partitions, providing a bacteria-killing hardware option for your next restroom design. While some restroom and locker materials rust and corrode, HDPE is corrosion and rust resistant, making it ideal for damp and wet environments like aquatic facilities. Check out how corrosion resistant HDPE is compared to traditional materials. Some traditional materials have wood or craft paper cores, but HDPE is solid throughout, and it doesn't absorb water compared to traditional options. Always remember, what's in the core matters. Stay tuned for more HDPE versus traditional materials.